Hello, as at the time I'm recording this video, it's summer and I thought to share this recipe with you guys before the summer is over. Have you ever wondered if there is any way one can enjoy ice cream without guilt? I wondered same, and from research I found out a lot of options out there. So if you have seen one before, then this is what do I call it? A gentle reminder. But if you haven't seen this before, then welcome to my kitchen where I treat you with super easy healthy recipes. Let's go. Let's make an easy mango ice cream without added sugar. Kids and adults alike can enjoy this recipe without necessarily consuming a lot of sugar. Here is mango that I have cut and froze for at least an hour by myself. I did so because I'm not sure how ripe the already frozen ones in the stores are. We'll be using cream, plain yogurt, cinnamon and a pinch of salt. The correct measurements I will leave in the description box. Here goes our plain yogurt. Then our cinnamon and pinch of salt. And it's blend time. Here we go. Blend smooth. And then pour into an airtight container for freezing. Now it's time to cover it up and freeze. I think it should take an hour or two to freeze. I took it out after an hour, impatient me, and it wasn't so frozen, probably because of the size of my container. I would recommend you use a wider container for this. Here is what it looked like. The next day, it's all frozen and ready to be scooped into cones. Look at those. Wow. So guys, these are your ice cream. And I assure you that they taste as good as they look, minus the sugar. You can make this for yourself, for your kids, and just have fun around it. Use any fruit you like. Actually, just make sure you freeze it down before you blend. Thank you for watching. Quick reminder, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and become a VIP. You'll be the first to see my videos whenever I upload. Bye.